Hey, in this video I'll show you around the Croatian city of NIN. It's said to be the oldest Croatian royal city and boasts the smallest cathedral in the world among other great tourist attractions. So let's check it out! NIN is located 18 kilometers from Zadar main bus station, where you can catch regular buses to the city, although less frequently on a weekend. The city has two parts: the old town, situated on an artificial island said to be in the shape of a heart, kinda, maybe, whatever. Anyway, it has become known as the City of Love. The other parts of NIN are on the mainland here, and there's large salt fields between the two, with a salt factory and a museum. I'll get to that later on. We arrive by bus, which drops you off here. It's then just a short walk down this road to the old town. By the way, we had a pizza here and would definitely recommend it if you're hungry. Anyway, let's get on with visiting NIN. Greeting you as you approach one of the two pedestrian bridges into the old town is a statue of Duke Branimir, credited with ruling the first state of Croatia after it was created right here in NIN. We cross the South Bridge, where you can find a replica of Conjura Croatica. It's an 11th century boat that was found in the lagoon. It's now preserved in the Museum of NIN Antiquities. You can't fail to see the historic town gate, so let's pass through and enter into NIN Old Town. Along the main street you'll find the Church of St. Anselmo in the centre of NIN. Originally built in the 6th century, NIN's troubled past saw it being damaged many times over the years, with its current form being from the 18th century. Its striking bell tower dominates the city and its many bells ring loud at midday. Close by is a statue to Bishop Grgurninski, head of the church in NIN around the year 900, and this meant being head of the church across the whole of Croatia. He was a great advocate of the old Slavonic language and national script. We saw a much larger statue of the bishop when we visited Split, but nevertheless it's great to see Gregory again in his wizard-like pose. Just round the corner is the Church of the Holy Cross, built in the 9th century in the early Christian period. As mentioned, it's the smallest cathedral in the world, and it is the only religious object in NIN which has remained untouched since its construction. Of course, the Romans were here in the past, and the remains of this Roman temple is our next stop. This is the biggest temple on the eastern coast of the Adriatic Sea, with a length of 33 metres. It dates from the second half of the 1st century. There's no entrance fee and you can climb all over the stones, which we thought was quite surprising really, considering its significance. There's also the remains of a large Roman house close by that features a rare mosaic floor dating from the 2nd century. The simple church of St. Ambrose in its Romanesque Gothic style sits close to the upper city gate. This leads you across another footbridge out of the old town and towards the Salt Museum. Here you can find out about the production of salt and of course buy some of it in the gift shop. We weren't so bothered about this museum, so we went back to the town to enjoy the beautiful views. I hope you enjoyed this visit to NIN. You can see other Croatian destinations by subscribing. But that's it for today though. Thanks for watching. See ya!